guys, this is Asmi and I'm from Asmi TV. And today I'm gonna go to the duck pond with my dog. It's a part 2 of the last video because I know you couldn't see many ducks. You only saw two ducks. So it's the next day. So we're just going to the duck pond. Yeah. Around. This time I think the ducks will come because yesterday it was sunny and today it's not sunny. It's not too sunny. It's sunny but not too sunny because you can see me. Yeah, so that means it's not too sunny. So that's good. It's cloudy. So we're just gonna go to the duck pond and hope we'll see some ducks. Okay, so guys, I'll meet you at the duck pond. You guys are nearly there, like last time. Yeah. The dog is walking behind me. It's fun. There's glass here. Not glass or what? Yep, it's glass. There's glass here. Well, duck pond looks neater than before. Can you see it? I hope you can. I'm just telling you to comment right now. Just pause the video and comment that did you see the duck pond like last time, because last time you saw it, I know that, and this time I want to know. So I can barely see any ducks, but don't worry, we'll find some. Here, remember the place where we can go near it? I hope you can. I hope you do remember. So we're gonna go there and I'll show you the duck pond. My hair. Okay. Okay, I see that place. Let's run. Woo. Woo. It's time to go down. Down the street. La, 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 la. Okay, I'll take some stones so that I can throw them. You know, I like throwing stones. Oh, I found a pebble. I'm gonna throw that in the water. Oh, wait. My dog is right there. Okay. I'm going near it. Come on, ducks, come here. Ducks? What? Just 2 and a third one. Woo! The beautiful, but they'll bite me. Sorry, ducks, but I'll have to go. Sorry, ducks. You have to go. Bye. Okay, guys. I'll meet you in some moments. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Guys, look at those ducks. They're just coming in. Ha ha, I'll eat you. Ha ha, I'll eat you. Oh yeah. It's a long walk to the duck pond, but it's still near a house. So yeah. I forgot to show you the beautiful orange flowers again. What? I don't know why. The ducks really scared me. I was like, the ducks are coming. The ducks are coming. Oh, yeah. Oh, that was a yellow card. I really like yellow card because it's a bright color. Yeah. That's why I was like, okay, let's go. We're going from the same way. Like last time. That is surprising. Oh, yeah. Okay, my dog started walking. Walk, walk, walk. No, I'm not gonna walk. I'm never gonna walk. I'm always gonna run. Well, I'm walking. I'm only walking. I'm not running. I'm not jogging. I'm walking. A walk, walk, walk. Blue cow. He's not gonna come. So guys, my dog just stopped. So I'll meet you in the moment when he'll start walking. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Me in the moment. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Dog finally started walking. He's out again. My mommy. Oh, mommy will not help me. Okay. They're like, mommy. Hey, mommy. Okay. Until that, you can look at my dog's beautiful face. Can I see him? Can I see him? Yeah, you can. I bet you can. Oh, Bluco. You remember his name is Bluco, okay? Let's look at him. He's so cute. Okay. Come, let's go. Okay, my dog started walking again. He sat. Until now you can look at my dog's beautiful face. I mean, my beautiful face. Okay. Oh, my dog started walking. Oh, walking. He always stops at every corner. Let's run. Come on. You have to press the button there. Oops. Well, that's fine. Like last time. Okay. I'm really far there from him. Do I see the park? Okay. Good boy. Okay, come on. Let's go. Okay, he started walking. You have to press the button there, like last time? Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Is that Toby?
No. Somebody's plants.
Oh. So guys, I'll meet you in some moments if the dog comes. Okay? Yeah. So guys, I thought that was not the dog we were thinking, but it was the Blue Coat's friend. His name is Toby, and Toby was Blue Coat's very first friend. Very first friend. Okay, now I'm gonna press the button like last time. Okay. Now we need to wait until a sign turns into a human.
Come on.
That's silly. A sign turns into a human. Okay. 13, 12, 11, 10. Oh, we crossed at 10. That should be good. Oh yeah. Let's come here and come here.
Just be a little bit.
And you know, guys, I touched Toby. Did I tell you that his name was Toby? Just to confirm that I told you, I'm telling you again. His name is Toby. Okay, the dog that I met. His name is Toby. If I didn't tell you, I think I did, but just to confirm, yeah. And you know, guys, I touched Toby, and it was so soft and so tiny. It was like, I forgot the breed. It was from M, but what was the breed? What was Toby's breed? I forgot that. What? Okay, let me think. The thinking session of Asmi's mind. And guys, I forgot to tell you about the vlog weekends. I'm gonna vlog on those weekends, and those weekends are Friday and Saturday. So if you want to see my best videos, watch them on Friday or Saturday. I mean, for this year. For next year, you can't comment. Yeah. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, press the like button and comment down below that. Did you see the duck pond? Okay. Yeah, just comment that. Goodbye. Goodbye. Okay, bye. Goodbye.